Hi everybody, in this video we're going to show you how to apply the new scratch resistant decal for motorcycle rims. First, clean the rim with water and soap or any kitchen degreaser. An old towel will work good. Try to clean the surface very well because it's going to make the process easier. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. Once the rim is cleaned, remove the sticker from the back layer. Start by placing the middle of the sticker onto the rim and rub the sides to place on the rim. Rub the sticker several times to stick it to the surface. Correct. As you can see, the sticker adheres perfectly without bubbles and takes the exact shape of the rim. The process is completed, and now your rim is going to look amazing in the day or night. Day, night. This is another innovative piece made by OneDesign.